My name is Frank Ochoa. I'm Senior Market Analyst for Nirvana Systems. I've been trading consistently every single day over the last 12 years, and I find that the Money Zone module is by far one of the best plugins that we've ever released. The reason I love the Money Zone module is because it's price-based indicators. It's based on market information. The entire market is watching these levels, and it makes them very important day after day. So let's look at a trade that I took this morning to show you exactly how I use the Money Zone module. All right, we got a big gap up at the open this morning, and usually what we try to do is determine if we're going to get a continuation to the upside or if we're going to find overhead resistance and drop back toward the day's lows or maybe even find new lows. We've gapped through all the Money Zone levels, and we're going to see if we're going to get a continuation to the upside or reverse. All right, so we've continued higher, but at this time I'm seeing that we're losing momentum. We don't have the same type of spark that we had right at the open. So right now I'm beginning to think that we're leaning towards a downside reversal. I see that we're coming up upon a prior day's Money Zone levels, and usually when that happens, you see resistance enter the market and a reversal to the downside occur. So I'm going to give it another couple of minutes and see if we touch that lower Money Zone level for a potential short entry. All right, we've given it a couple of more minutes here, and we've finally reached a prior Money Zone level, the lower Money Zone level from 2 days ago, and what we're seeing is weakness enter the market at around the 703 level. Now, I'm going to see if the market can continue to hold beneath 703 because this could trigger a very nice short entry back toward the day's lows. I'm going to continue to stock shorts at this level at this time and see what plays out in the market. All right, so I've let it play out another couple of minutes now, and we're beginning to see two 15-minute bars not being able to advance past that lower Money Zone level from 2 days ago. I think this is my short opportunity. All right, so I'm going to go short at this time, and initially my target's going to be 696, which is just above the day's lows. I think that is a safe target. I think there's a sure bet that we're going to get back toward that level. There may be a bit more weakness in this trade that could lead us back toward a prior money zone level, which would be yesterday's upper Money Zone level. But at this time, I'm going to play it safe, and I'm going to go to the day's lows and see if we can hit that 696 target. So at this time, we've gotten a very nice downside move. Downside movement has been actually very orderly right now, so I'm feeling very confident about that 696 target. It's moving slow and steady toward my target, so there's nothing to worry about at this time, and I'm going to continue to monitor this trade as we go forward. All right, checking back in on our Money Zone trade. We've currently gotten a very nice downside push. I'm feeling very confident about that 696 target at this time. We're going to continue to monitor this trade as it goes forward, and I think we could be reaching our target very soon. All right, so we have just reached our target at 696. We've reached the lows of the day in this trade. We have a very successful trade on our hands. I think there could be a little bit more to the downside at this time, heading back toward the upper Money Zone level from yesterday's market. But at this time, I feel very good about that trade. It was a winning Money Zone trade, and that is exactly what we like to see. We've just made 5.3 points on this contract, which translates into $530 per contract. It's a very nice trade in under 2 hours work, and that is exactly what we like to see. So checking in one last time to see the outcome of the move, you can actually see that the low of the day, 691.30, was actually yesterday's upper money zone level, which indicated that the market is clearly responding to these levels. My initial short entry at the beginning of the day was the lower money zone level from 2 days ago, and the target actually happened to be yesterday's upper money zone level. So you can see that the entire market is watching these levels very closely. Again, if you do not have the money zone, you are going to miss out on these prime opportunities. Now you can see why I believe the Money Zone module is one of the most powerful plugins we've ever released. Order yours today and start trading in the zone.